So a very good morning, gentlemen. Today my lecture topic is the IMF, which also we know as International Monetary Fund. So we have also we know that after the Second World War in the year of 1945, the countries had faced a lot of the problem regarding to the economic side, regarding to the energy side. So in the year of 1944, they have signed Bretton Woods Agreement, and finally in December 27, 1945, the IMF came into the force. So if we talk about a particular IMF, so IMF is basically known as International Monetary Fund, which is the organization of 190 country, and its main area to be focused on economic side, and there is a how to be develop country and provide a financial loan to the countries. So if we talk about what is the IMF plays in a very what type of roles IMF play in the country. So first of all, gentlemen, I want to bring your attention in 1972 first, because we also know that in the year of 1972 there is a lot of the countries faced a lot of problem regarding to the oil exporting and importing side. That time the IMF also be signed a lot of the agreement. After that, the countries are able to be gain oil from the oil producing countries. And we also know that in 2008 there is a East Asia which also face a lot of the problem regarding to the economic side. That time also IMF gave a huge loan to the East Asia, and after that we have able to be develop our nation. So if we talk about what is the another perspective of IMF, so IMF also we gave a loan whenever the country facing a problem, and there is and it's also focus on a lot of the areas. First of all, its objective to be develop the countries equally, because it is that is a motive of IMF. And if we talk about what is the India perspective to the IMF, so we have also we know that we have also we a good relation with the USA, and we also know that IMF's headquarters in the USA. So we are in emergency. We have also taken a lot of the loans from the IMF, but we completed our loan on a time, because we have also we know that IMF charges on the loan is a very high, because there is a Pakistan who also be considered in a grey list. There are a lot of the countries who also be considered in a grey list, and if grey list to black list, there is a very negative thing, because we also know that if the IMF put a country into a grey list or maybe a black list, so after that the country not able to be trade that kind of things. So that is a very negative thing for IMF. If we talk about the conclusion for IMF, so we have also we know that IMF have a good motive and good initiative to be develop the countries, but IMF have a loan have a very expensive as compared to the others. So that why it's a that's why IMF is a very critical thing. So we can say IMF is a critical thing. If we IMF be focus on that particular area, after that IMF be able to be to achieve sustainable target. Thank you, gentlemen.